never tell. They've seen you at your weakest, helped you get through hell. But when you're in need of saving, feeling too far gone, they're always waiting there for you to come on home. Good old dogs and guys